In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trading journal in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable system to track every trade, learn from your decisions, and build consistency over time. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. Choose the table option from the database choices so your journal is structured and filterable. Give the page a clear title like Trading Journal, so it's easy to find later. A full-page table works best here because you'll add several columns and want plenty of room to review your data. Now, let's define the essential properties. First, add a date property. Set it to the date the trade was opened. If you prefer, you can enable time to capture the entry timestamp, which is useful for intraday trades and for matching your notes with chart screenshots. Next, add an instrument property as multi-select. Create tags such as BTC FEI-USD, your FEI-USD, or TSLA. Keep your naming consistent and feel free to color code tags to quickly distinguish assets or markets at a glance. Add a setup or strategy property as a select. Label the approach you used, like breakout or supply fade demand. Keep this list concise and meaningful, so you can review which strategies are performing best over time. Create a direction property as a select with long and short. This will help your PFAL formula understand how to treat price differences and keep your analytics accurate. For pricing, add two number properties: entry price and exit price. Entry price records where you got in and exit price is where you closed. If a trade is still open, leave exit price blank for now. You can format these as numbers with the appropriate decimal places for your market. Add a position size property as a number. Use units that match your market, like shares, contracts, or a lot size. If you risk a percentage of capital, note the convention you are using, so your calculations stay consistent. Now create a PFAL property as a formula. The basic logic is if direction is long, calculate exit price entry prices multiplied by position size. If short, calculate entry price exit price multiplied by position size. You can format this as a currency and add rounding for cleaner totals. This automation removes manual math and reduces errors. Add a status property as a select with open, closed, and cancelled. Only enter an exit price once a trade is closed, which keeps your PFAL calculation clean. Finally, add a screenshots property with files and media. Attach before and after charts from TradingView to capture context and execution. Clear visuals make post-trade reviews far more insightful. That's your Notion trading journal, simple, structured, and ready to use. Thanks for watching.